Cruising is one of the most enjoyable and best value travel experiences. You pack and unpack once, your meals and entertainment are all included, and you sail the seven seas to exciting ports of call. Choosing the right cruise cabin can make or break your entire vacation experience. Now, generally speaking, there are four types of cruise cabins or staterooms. The first is the inside or interior. It's the smallest of the cruise cabins, has no window or outside light. Second is an Oceanview cabin. Now, it's slightly larger and you'll have a porthole or picture window. The most popular cruise choice in cabins is the balcony or veranda cabin, where you have your outside wall, floor to ceiling sliding glass doors, which virtually turns it into a giant window, and of course your private balcony. And lastly are the suites and penthouses. Now, there's no right or wrong answer. It's a personal choice, and certainly budget figures into it. Some will say, I like the inside cabin because I'm not planning to spend a lot of time in my cabin. I want to save the money for other things. But others, including myself, always go for a balcony or suite. It's a larger stateroom. It enhances the entire cruise experience and is always located in the best positions on the ship. Contact your personal travel professional for details on what is the perfect cruise and the perfect cruise cabin for you. And of course, for the best travel deals on the planet, including cruising, give us a call at Morris Columbus Travel.